I'm going to show you how to use Claude to create and sell your first ebook in 3 days or less. As someone who has made tens of thousands of dollars selling ebooks, I wish I had Claude's help back then because it would have made the whole process so much easier and it would have made my ebooks even better. Now, most people who try to use AI to create an ebook end up with something super generic, and that's exactly why it doesn't sell. They'll fill it with random information that anyone could just look up themselves, but what actually makes an ebook sell is the personal experience you bring to it and the interactive features you add inside. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do. By the way, a segment of this video is sponsored by Storyblocks, but more on them later. First, let's talk about why ebooks are still one of the best digital products to start with. One, if you're a beginner, this is a great low effort product to create relative to other types of digital products that are more comprehensive and take a much longer time to build. Two, it's a lower barrier to entry for your customers because these products typically sell between $17 and $47 on average. That makes it easier for people to say yes and get a quick win from your paid offer before potentially investing in something bigger down the line. And three, there's no inventory involved, like physical books that you would have to package and deliver to your customers. Once it's live and you have traffic going to it, it becomes a great passive income stream for you. So let's get into it. The first thing you'll need, of course, is a Claude account. So head over to Claude AI and sign up with your email address if you don't already have one. They have different plan options to choose from, and you can absolutely start with their free version. There are, however, some limitations to it, like how many credits you can use per day, for example. So I do recommend upgrading to the pro version eventually when you're ready, especially if you intend on using it for multiple tasks in your business like I currently do. Okay, so once you're logged in, it's going to look like many other AI tools that you're probably familiar with. You'll land on this chat section where you can ask Claude questions, give it prompts, etc. But first, we're going to go to the top left here and click on Customize, then select Connect Your Apps. This is currently one of my favorite features because Claude can create things for you and send it directly to one of your external apps like Canva, Notion, Google Drive, etc. So you can browse through to see which apps are available and you can grant Claude full access to them depending on what you use. Just click on the plus sign to connect them. In this example, we'll create an ebook using Google Docs and Canva. So you'll want to at least connect those for this. Now, instead of just using the default chat on the homepage, we're going to create a project folder for our ebook. This keeps all our work organized in one place rather than having to start a new chat and re-explain our project to Claude every single time. So go over to Projects and you're going to select New Project. This is going to be your dedicated workspace for your ebook where Claude remembers everything about your ideas, your research, and your target customer. It's going to prompt you to write out a name and a description for what you're working on. So before you do this, you should have a general idea of what your ebook is going to be about. Of course, you can always come back and edit it later if you need to. Now, I've already created a project for mine, and for this video, I'm creating an ebook on how to fly with a baby or a toddler. Absolutely not my area of expertise, but I figured I would do a non-business related example that you can take inspiration from. And I gave it a very basic description of what I plan to include in this ebook. Now, the cool thing is you can upload files here that you can ask Claude to reference when it comes to writing your ebook. This is really important because keep in mind, what's going to help your ebook stand out is using your personal experience and stories. So for example, I created a separate document called My Personal Experience, which covers what I've been through when it comes to flying with my baby. Just for context, I traveled with my son when he was 7 months and then again when he was 10 months. And this document just lists the lessons I learned, what I would do differently, what worked really well, and what I would personally tell parents that are flying with their baby for the first time. And by the way, I asked Claude to help me generate this document, which only took me a couple of minutes. So here's what I did. I opened up a separate chat outside of this project and gave Claude some context around my experience on this topic. Then I asked it to help me generate this file that I can upload to my project. One thing I love about Claude is it will ask you questions if it needs more information from you, so it can customize the work that it does for you. And within minutes, it made this document for me that I can now use in my project. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do is validate your topic and nail your angle. So you might already have an idea of what your ebook is going to be about based on your experience and your expertise. But you want to make sure that there's already a market for it, and then come up with your own unique selling proposition. In other words, what's going to be different about your ebook than anyone else's? So back in our project, we need to describe what we're working on and prompt Claude to help us with the market research. So after I gave it some context, I wrote out this prompt. Can you please create a spreadsheet and list 10 products on the market that are similar to this product? They could be ebooks or courses. Link the websites, summarize the reviews, and list the prices if you can find them. And within a few minutes, it has scoured the internet and created an Excel spreadsheet for me that lists the product names, creators, website links, prices, and review summaries. I can also open this spreadsheet in my Google Drive if I want to add my own notes to it, since I connected this app already. Fun fact, I actually purchased this ebook by taking care of babies years ago before I traveled with my son, and it is so good. I highly recommend it if you're actually looking for a product like this. But anyway, review what comes back, because this is super valuable market research that could have taken you hours to gather on your own. And Claude summarized it for you in a matter of minutes. You'll get a sense of the average pricing and what's included in other ebooks from the review summary, which can also give you ideas for what to include in your own. Next, I asked Claude, based on all this market research and data you have gathered, what do you feel is missing from these products? What can I add that could be my unique selling proposition? So I want Claude to reference my personal experience, the file I already uploaded, and help me come up with ways to make my ebook unique to what's already on the market. And it actually came up with really good ideas, specifically mentioning that most ebooks out there are written by seasoned professionals that have traveled with their kids multiple times. And that might feel distant to a first timer. And it suggests I frame it as a first 2 flights ebook, focusing on how to travel with a baby under 12 months, because that's exactly what I did. You can of course go back and forth and brainstorm more with Claude on how to position your ebook so it doesn't sound the exact same as everyone else's. Next, we're going to ask Claude to outline and write our ebook. But before we do that, we need to talk about how you're going to actually make sales. That's ultimately going to come down to creating high quality content that drives traffic to your ebook. And the best way to do that is with story blocks. I use story blocks for my own content, specifically in my YouTube videos, which is what I use to promote my digital products. I love their stock footage and audio, and these can be used for any social media platform you're using for your business. Storyblocks is an all-in-one creative toolkit built for creators who are making content and videos regularly. It gives you access to over 7 million assets, including B-roll footage, music, sound effects, and templates, all in one place. One of my favorite things about it is that it's all human made by real filmmakers and artists from around the world. And here's what matters most when you're monetizing your content. Everything you download is royalty free and pre-licensed, which means it's cleared for personal, commercial, and monetized YouTube videos. It has saved me so much time when I need extra footage to tell a story in my videos. And storytelling is truly what helps sell your ebooks, because it stands out as the most relatable and memorable type of content. In this case, if I want to promote my ebook on how to fly with a baby or a toddler, and I don't want to use my own footage because recording that experience would be an absolute disaster, I can get high quality footage from Storyblocks and use it on social media to demonstrate the tips I'm sharing. Let's say you're selling an ebook all about meal prepping. You can download beautiful footage and stock images to use in your promotional materials rather than taking all of these yourself. So to promote your ebook with high quality content and better storytelling using the tools I use, head over to storyblocks.com/Sandra D. And right now you can get 15% off any annual plan for a limited time, which is only available through my link. All right, now we're going to ask Claude to take all of that market research and combine it with our unique selling proposition and experience to outline and write the ebook from scratch. So here's the prompt I gave it. Can you help me create an outline for my ebook using the market research, my unique selling proposition, and I copied and pasted the USP that Claude gave me, plus the supporting file in this project, which is my personal experience. After you're done, please place it into a file that I can open up in Google Drive. Now you'll notice I've only asked it to outline my ebook and send it to a Google document that I can then customize. But you can get Claude to do even more of the heavy lifting for you by writing out each section of your outline word for word and then transferring it to a Google document that you can edit. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just demonstrate the outline here. As you can see, Claude put together the outline and sent it directly to my Google Drive that I can now open and work through. Once you open your Google Doc, your job is to go through the document and make sure it still sounds exactly like you, it pulled from your personal experience file, and you're going to spend some time tweaking and adjusting anything if necessary. And once you're done, simply save it as a PDF file that your customers will gain access to after they purchase. Now, what's going to make your ebook more than just a basic PDF guide that looks like everyone else's is to add interactive elements to it that your audience will value. You might also notice from your market research that some of the best-selling ebooks have templates, checklists, video tutorials, and other elements that really elevate the experience of consuming it. I've used this example before, but one of my ebooks has templates and video tutorials scattered throughout the sections. So when my customers click on them, they're directed to extra resources that will help them implement the strategies I teach. That's what I want you to include as well. So brainstorm with Claude what you can add to your ebook to make it even more appealing to your ideal customer. After chatting with Claude myself, I'm going to add in toddler activity sheets for the plane. Now, obviously, my 7-month-old probably would have torn these activity sheets to pieces, but this is just for demonstration purposes, so stick with me here. I prompted Claude to generate a toddler-friendly, travel-themed word search for me and send it to Canva. Now, I made a whole tutorial on how to make Canva templates and send it directly to Canva from Claude, which worked perfectly. I'll link that for you down below. But this activity sheet was a bit more complex because although it generated this super cute, ready-to-use word search, I couldn't figure out how to send it directly to Canva with a click of a button. And after arguing with Claude for about 10 minutes, it convinced me to either save it as an HTML file or simply screenshot it and drag it into Canva. So I chose the latter. It took me 2 seconds to drag it into Canva, and now I have at least one activity sheet to include in my ebook. I also decided to add in a full comprehensive checklist that included things like pre-trip planning, the night before, airport day, etc. And these ideas all came from Claude based on all the research we've done. It generated a full PDF for me that I can now include as a bonus checklist for my customers. Pretty cool, right? Once you have all the elements completed for your ebook, you can then get Claude to help you write out the copy for your sales page and even put together promotional materials to help you sell it. I actually created an entire 2-hour masterclass on my channel that's completely free to watch, and it walks you through how to do all of this step by step. I'll link that for you down below. It comes with a free workbook as well. Head over to storyblocks.com/Sandra D to help you create high quality content to promote and sell your ebook. And right now you can get 15% off any annual plan for a limited time, which is only available through my link down below. I'll see you in the free masterclass where I'll walk you through how to upload and sell your ebook from scratch.